Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Think Constructive. I am Isha. In this session, I will be telling you what's new in Java 25. As you know that Java 25 is released on 16th of September 2025 and it has got bunch of new features. So here is the feature list of Java 25. This list includes some of the preview features, some features which are going round and round, multiple rounds of previews, incubator features, experimental features, and final features also. So in this, you can notice that there are some features which is not suffixed by any preview, experimental or incubator, anything. So those are the final features. So I'll be showing you some of the features which are part of final feature list in Java 25. Alright. So first one is Java25 and this is a compact source files and instance main methods. So what this feature says, this feature was actually first previewed in JDK21 as Java445. So JP is JDK enhancement proposal. Java512 is the final feature ID, whereas it was first featured as a preview feature in JDK21 with Java445, and further in subsequent JDK versions there were improvements which were done for this feature. So JDK22, JDK23 and JDK24, and finally this feature is finalized in JDK25 with the final feature ID as Java512. The key highlights for this feature are compact source file, interacting with console and automatic import of Java.base module. As you can see, there is a class hello world with void main. You must be knowing that in Java we always write public static void main and then we write main method body contents inside that. So now a lot of boilerplate code was there, which is now simplified in JDK25. It has been previewed in the earlier versions of Java. A simple void main will do the job here. That is the first thing. Second, the compact form of source file. That means what it allows developers to get straight to the code without any superfluous class declaration. So simple void main with, let's say you would like to print hello world, just say system.out.println. And the third improvement is a new class in java.lang package is added. And what does it do? It has all the baseline IO-oriented methods for beginners. So you can notice in this example, void main and directly io.println is being called. So system.out.println simpler version is now IO. So directly io.println and you can print hello world or you can print whatever you want. Idea behind this feature was to make Java a little more beginner friendly, and this is what you can see here in this example. Okay. Another important improvement is finalization of module import declaration with the ID as Java511. This feature was first previewed in JDK23 with Java476 and further it was improved in JDK24 with Java494. What does this feature do? It simplifies the use of modular libraries, but it does not require importing code to be in a module itself. And here is the syntax which is being displayed on the screen. Next important improvement is Java513, that is flexible constructor bodies. So this feature was first previewed in JDK22 with Java447. Further, it was improved in JDK23 with Java482 and JDK24 with Java492. And here is the syntax for this. Another important feature is Java506, that is scoped values. And this was proposed for incubation in JDK20. So since some versions of Java, the work is happening on this feature. It was incubated in JDK20 with Java429 and then after that it was proposed for preview in JDK21 with Java446, further improved in JDK22, 23 and 24 and finally it is finalized in JDK 25. So this is the final feature of JDK25, that is a scoped values. Its syntax is getting displayed on the screen here. Another important feature is JP519, that is compact object headers, and it was initially introduced as an experimental feature in JDK24 with JP450, and then immediately in JDK25 it is finalized. So here in the syntax you can see this unlock experimental VM option. So this first option will no longer be needed because now this feature is a productized one. So this is now included in JDK25 as a final product. So it's not experimental anymore. So you need not to write this unlock experimental VM options for this feature. So these are some very important features which are finalized in Java25. There are many more, but these were the ones which I shortlisted to talk about. If you want me to discuss any specific feature in detail with the detailed demonstration, please write your things in the comment section so that I can create a new session with the complete demonstration for that particular feature of Java25. So I'll be waiting for your comments. Write down your questions or any particular feature which you are looking forward in the comment section below. I will try to bring up the session on that as soon as possible. If you like the session, hit the like button and share the session and channel details with your friends, family and colleagues, because that is how we will grow more stronger together. See you in the next session. Bye for now.